Hey man, y'all got an exhaust leak? Get at me. Got my smoke machine going right through the tailpipe. It's filling this whole tailpipe or exhaust from the backside going forward to the exhaust leak. And somebody before me did some nasty welds. As you can see, I got a leak there. And then further up this way, hopefully you can see it, got a leak coming off that weld too. So if you got an exhaust leak, this is one way to find your exhaust leak. I'm gonna go ahead and get that patched up and fixed. I don't see anything else leaking, but lo and behold, this is what my exhaust leaks come into. I'm gonna fix those two and then check it again.